In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Trust Wallet without a seed phrase. We know it's a bit of a daunting situation when you find yourself locked out of your own account, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Remember, patience and attention to detail are key here, so let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the official Trust Wallet website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in trustwallet.com. Make sure you're on the official site. It's crucial to double check the URL because you want to avoid any phishing sites designed to look like the real deal. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to look for the support section. This can usually be found in the main navigation menu or at the bottom of the page. Go ahead and click on that link to proceed. After you've made your way to the support page, look for the Contact Us option. This is often located alongside other support features. Click on Contact Us to reveal more ways to communicate with their support team. In this guide, we're going to use their chatbot feature, which is a fast and efficient way to get answers. Next, you'll see an option named Ask Our Chatbot. Click on it, and a message box will appear. In this message box, you'll want to type out your query. Specifically, you should type something like, "How to recover Trust Wallet without seed phrase." Try to be as clear and precise as possible in your message to avoid any misunderstanding, which can hasten the process. Now here's the part where your patience truly comes into play. The chatbot is an automated system, and sometimes it may take up to 24 hours to provide a comprehensive response. While this might feel like a long wait, rest assured that the Trust Wallet support team is working to assist you. It's crucial to check your email or any other communication channels you provided for follow-ups from the support team. If their initial suggestions don't resolve your issue, they may take further steps to help you recover access to your account. During this waiting period, avoid any urges to explore other online solutions that might promise quicker fixes, as some could be scams exploiting your desperation to recover your wallet. Trust the official process and the support team to guide you ultimately. There you have it, your guide to recovering your Trust Wallet without a seed phrase. By following these instructions, you increase your chances of successfully regaining access while ensuring your assets remain safe. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.